This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the tablet. Make sure it has battery and a stable Wi-Fi connection. This prevents interruptions. Once ready, open Settings and go to Accounts, then choose Add Account. This is the first actionable step. Enter your Google email when prompted, because the Play Store requires a linked Google account. If you use two-factor authentication, keep your phone or backup codes handy. This speeds verification and avoids lockouts. Now you sign in. Select Google from the account list, type your email, and tap Next so the device can locate your account. Then enter your password. Make sure it's correct because repeated failures trigger temporary locks. After signing in, review the permissions and Google Services options and accept what's needed for Play Store functionality. Once done, complete any two-factor authentication prompt. This step secures access and links your account. Finally, open the Google Play Store app. You should see your account avatar in the top right, which confirms you're signed in. Make sure to accept any Play Store terms and allow updates to Google Play services when prompted. These keep app installs working correctly. If the store indicates a problem, try clearing the Play Store cache or removing and re-adding the Google account in settings. This resolves most sign-in glitches and forces a fresh account sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.